Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 fundamentals. Today we are going to talk about loops. They're not just for cats. So let's get cracking. Let's say we wanted to add a little bit of an excitement to our hello world. So how do we go about doing that? Let's add a loop here. We'll start with a while loop. While string underscore length of text underscore is less than 22, then text underscore is equal to string underscore insert exclamation mark text underscore string underscore length of text underscore plus 1. There we go. So what does this do? While the string length of text underscore is less than 22. Here's our conditional. So as long as the string length of text is less than 22, do this. So let's see what happens. As you can see, we've inserted a whole bunch of exclamation marks and our game is so much more active for it. So what would happen then if we wanted to use a do instead? So if we used a do instead, just real quick, again, if you want multiple lines, surrounded with parentheses, as always. So if we used a do text underscore is equal to string underscore insert text underscore string underscore length of text underscore plus 1 until string underscore length of text underscore is greater than 22. You'll want to flip it around in this case. So as you can see, our exclamation marks go off into infinity. And why is that? That's because when you're using a do, unlike the while, the conditional is checked after the code is executed. So in this case, we are inserting an exclamation mark at the end every single time, but then it's seen that, oh, our conditional has been met, so we don't need to do any again. So just remember that is the difference between a while and a do until. So whiles check the conditional first, and do untils check the conditional afterwards. So these are two of our loops, and we'll talk about two more of them next time. Thank you everybody for joining, and good luck with your coding. Whoops, don't press the stop button to stop recording. You actually press the stop recording button.